Dr. Wyman and Dr. Wyman, Dr. Sasae and Dr. Matsushita. Thank you so very much for your active discussion from many different aspects or the fields, and thank you very much for the audience for a long day. The future of the science education at the undergraduate level. This is the overall title. Under this umbrella, we could discuss a many variety of the discussion that we would like to continue discussing. But the direction is clearer. That the two benefits, major benefits coming out of the program is that our center has a mission from the science faculty. That is that the science education, what is at the status quo and information of the science education at a very high level and a very excellent level that we had the information from the Canada, American, and many different aspects or that areas, not only in Japan. The second is that the relationship between research and education was discussed many of the times. And in this business of the education, the university education, that, many people said there is a correlation between the quality of the research and education. But you see that there is the correlation. We can see that, we have the living example in front of us right on the stage, especially Dr. Wyman. And the subtitle was from science and the teaching and learning from the science that he could tide over this boundary very easily, effortlessly. From the science, scientific research to the scientific teaching. Well, I think that within the original natural sciences, many of the scientists went over this border very effortless and enjoy for doing so. That it is fun for the scientists to go over to the side of the education, not only in the laboratory. This is something that I have learned. Very precious one, that my specialty is educational philosophy, so that I'm jealous. Because that am I giving such a fun myself or giving fun to the students? So with this jealousy, I would like to say natural science, of course, that is a pursuit of the truth. That it is a very simple communication, that the truth should be given from the teachers to the students. However, in the humanities, nobody has a complete truth, and therefore that we engage in the dialogue, students and teachers. So it is not as clear-cut as science, but we have fun discussing. You have fun giving the truth to the students so that we are equal. I think that, yes, I'm jealous. I agree with you. However, thank you very much.